Where's your toy? You forgot. You forgot outside. You forgot outside. Get your toy outside. Faster. Oh. Oh, you see? You forgot your toy. I told you. Get your toy. Faster, man. Faster, once I close the door. Oh, it's cold. It's cold outside, man. Come on, get your toy. So that we can go inside. It's cold. Oh, come here. Come here. Come on. Get your toy here. What a poor bulldog. Oh, very good. Very good, buddy.